Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. Very quick video to say thank you very much to all the new subscribers. We've just hit 300 subscribers, so really over the moon. I can't believe how quick we're growing. It feels like every other video is a thank you to all the new subscriber videos, so I really appreciate all the support. I really appreciate everyone returning into my videos and commenting on them. It's so nice to see how many people out there are stacking precious metals. I feel like before precious metals was kind of looked at like an older generational investment vehicle, and I feel like a lot of the younger generation are kind of moving towards precious metals now. They've had a little go on crypto, they've had a little go on speculative stocks, they've lost a lot of money, so they've gone back to the drawing board and they've done the research and they've looked into precious metals and they've seen that it stood the test of time. Over the long term, it's always proved to do very well, especially when the economy is struggling and inflation is high. It's got charts that go back hundreds and thousands of years. So like I said, it's kind of stood the test of time. And I feel like a lot of the younger generation now, especially thanks to YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and all these social media, are kind of more exposed to precious metals now. I feel like it was more of like an older generation thing where people were stacking precious metals, wasn't telling anyone about it and building up a stack. And now because people are a bit more open and they're kind of spreading their information and they're spreading their knowledge and they're sharing their stack and they're making it quite exciting to stack, I feel like it's just really having a positive impact and a lot more people are getting involved. The amount of people I see comment on my videos saying that they've just started stacking this year and they're in their 20s and 30s. It's just really nice to see. I wish I got involved in precious metals earlier than I did, but I was the same. I got caught up in crypto, I got caught up in stocks. But you've all got to start somewhere. As long as you're kind of looking out into different investments and doing your research, then yeah, just you watching this video shows that you're interested in kind of wealth preservation and investing and stuff like that. So yeah, it's really nice to see the younger generation getting on board with precious metals. I just wanted to say thanks again to all the new subscribers. Hope you're enjoying the videos and I'll see you in the next ones. Have a nice day.